Welcome back to Termination X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
I'm here with Sephora.
And I'm Betty Page. No.
I think I got this yesterday, and the box kind of looks like damaged, but I don't know what the heck's going on.
This is my costume at my hotel today. And tomorrow I'm going to be a domesticated animal, sort of domestic. You guys should try to guess and put in the comments below what you think I will be. Okay. Unless that video comes
so
first.
When I open the box, it looks like that. Okay, hopefully I'm holding that fine.
And I can contour very well. I don't know if you guys can see my face. Well, obviously you can see my face, but I mean, it's not... I still look very round. I didn't do what I was trying to do.
And this is last minute looks for Halloween. That's cute.
That's cute.
Of course, it shows you the products on the back. Okay. And then, of course, you get your little 50 Beauty Insider points, which now it says shop in store or online. I seriously feel like that was because of me, because I'm like, I don't even go into the store. But no, they probably didn't see me say anything about it.
That's a super cute one, though. I like that it's themed.
And then, again, they're making their bags, like, I think reusable, recyclable. I think recyclable, not reusable, like recyclable. Anyway, okay, first thing I'm pulling out is Kurule. No, I was kidding. Is that Kurule?
I think you did just
get perfect. I know, I just got this in my, I think my Allure, I think. But we do like serum, so that's good. That's
and I just got my Allure, but thank God she filmed her Allure because I don't need to film mine. Okay. So.
And then Benefits Gimme Brow. It's the one you like, right, Edie?
It's my favorite.
And it goes to her.
Oh, yay, because it is. It's my favorite.
And then I thought this was going to be the lotion again. And I was like, no, this I tried in one of the Smarts plays, I think. The First Aid Beauty's Coconut Water Cream Moisturizer, right? I'm pretty sure. I think.
Sounds about right.
Yeah, over clean skin. So yeah, moisturizer. So I did like this stuff. I actually used all of it if I remember right. So I should just buy myself some. Okay, and then the next thing...
and you guys can always check out the costumes, by the way. I do post what I wear if you're interested. I mean, or my look or whatever I have for the day. I do post those on our Instagram at Generation X and then on my personal one as well. So just if you guys want to check that out.
Okay, and this is the bonus, I'm pretty sure, but I pulled it out next. So it's Kat Von D's Center and Saint perfumes.
Center and Saint. I have those. I like that. I like the smells of them. I just have a bigger, like, one of them, like of each. Like it's. I think I got that in Allure. I could be wrong. But.
And then, Anastasia, how do you say it? Anastasia?
I'm so jealous that I don't get Sephora now. I haven't been getting it for
Banana
a couple
Stick
months.
Contour.
Oh, it's a contour. Can we use that on me?
So it's,
that's not very,
I don't know if you guys can see it. It's kind of like a yellowish.
It's dark, like.
Well, it says Banana Stick.
I don't know.
So it's like a yellowing, probably what, to counteract red or something?
I don't know.
Does it counteract red, I think?
I thought green counters red,
but anyway, or is it green?
I got lots of red in my skin.
I don't know. But that's pretty cool. Okay.
I know, it looked like it just gave me very little, but it is a sample after all, so.
Is this the last thing?
Oh. Yeah, I'm so excited for you.
I'm like giving myself a paper cut trying to get this out of the bag there. And then Urban Decay's All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray.
All night.
But I do have,
she just said
off the camera.
She's got other ones I know of
yeah, I have Cover FX's setting spray, so I can give this to my sister if she wants it.
I would take it because I only have like
either that or to a giveaway.
So if I don't use it, I'll definitely put it in a giveaway. But
that was it.
Use these.
I did like everything I got. Yay! In this box this month. So good job, Sephora.
I know, it's awesome, and the theme too. Like
very cute.
I'm so sad I didn't get Sephora. I need to get them again soon, hopefully. But that was it for our video. That was it for our video. I'll probably be wearing this costume. You'll see in a couple videos. But again, the next video where I'm a domestic animal or something, or maybe not so domestic, try to figure out what I am going to be, and just put it in the comments below of any of the 2 videos that you see me wearing this costume. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you saw anything you like, and don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaways. We're doing another one at 100, and we are this close. So thanks again for joining us.
Take care.
Bye.